Hey, 211 students, I'm back. So I received some questions from students who may not be returning to campus and don't have access to their nurse pack supplies. So after a little brainstorming, here's what we have come up with. If you will not have access to your supplies and need to film your competency off site, then see my other video about what you can do for your male and female parts. And if you have in and out straight cath, perfect. But if you have Foley catheter, please email us and we will email you a new scenario with in and out cath instead. And you can then create your own supplies at home using some creativity. So here is what I have come up with. You will need some wrapping paper, newspaper, paper, large paper, whatever you got. Had a lot of leftover Christmas wrapping paper. Excuse me. So I just found some cleaning gloves. Big rubber gloves your mom might have. Folded those up. Made a big lip on the cup. Wrapped them in wrapping paper, and voila, we have sterile gloves. Okay, don't worry about getting them all folded perfectly, just make them like your book, and that's fine. Then I made my Cath kit with wrapping paper again. Oops. And take that out of the way so you can see it. Tupperware container. You can use a box, you can use whatever you want, but just some kind of container. I use a napkin. You can use towel, washcloth, whatever you want. Just, paper towels, big towel, just so long as you can kind of shake it and have it make a drape. You don't have to worry about shiny side, dull side, okay? Some kind of cup. Can be prescription vial with a cap. It could be a cup with a top. It could be Tupperware with a top. This just happened to be what I had handy and thought you might have around your house. Something like this. And I have KY mayonnaise. Betadine. I mean, if you have a packet of anything, or just take a piece of paper and label it Betadine, KY, whatever. Cotton balls, tweezers as your tongs, straw, catheter, cotton balls. Okay. These just happen to be things that I had really handy. You don't have to use these. Whatever you got, make it work for you. But basically the things that you will need are some kind of swabs to swab your patient off with, something to hold them with, something that you can designate as KY, something you can designate as betadine, a cup to collect your urine specimen, something you can use as your catheter. I mean, you actually don't need KY because you're going to put this in a large opening. You won't need that lubricant. So you're just going to be mimicking a lot of this stuff. I can't keep all this in the camera view, sorry. So these just happen to be what I have, but you don't have to use these. I just wanted to show you really quickly that you can be creative and create your own Cath kit. I'll tell you what, I think what we'll do is post an announcement that has an alternative scenario for you to use as your I know Cath, so you don't have to email. But we do have record of what everybody has, so don't get crazy and switch to a different scenario just because you want to. I would say try to stick with the same gender. If you had female Foley catheter, pick the female IO straight cath, and male. I'm sure there will be more information coming as more questions arise, but hopefully that gives you an idea of how you can be creative at home and do this for yourself so that you don't have to be stressed out about coming to campus. Good luck.